Hey guys, I'm showing you this Topwit rice cooker. This is a portable rice cooker, and you can see this is a 1.2 gallon one, like the liter one, and it's good for making 2 cups of rice. I will show you. This is the lid that goes on top of it, the measuring cup, a cable. This is the pan, and this is the heating element of the rice cooker. So with the starting, this looks really nice. This is the spoon for the rice, like a plastic spoon comes with it, and you can see like the color and the look is really nice. This is touch buttons. This is the rating. This one is the main pan. For the metal one for taking the heat is non-stick inside. This is the lid for steam and covering. This is the thick cable. It's a 3-pin cable that you can use for this rice, and there is a socket in here. So I will show all the assembly and the working of this. This is the measuring cup for the rice. And there is the cable will go. We'll make sure that it goes inside properly. There's a rubber lid with the steam holes, easy handle, and all the non-stick inside. So I'm showing the rice cooking with this rice cooker, and as you can see, it's supplied with the cup, and I'm putting 2 cups of rice in this rice cooker and 2 cups of water. You can also take water according to the type of rice, because there are different type of rice in it, like brown rice or any other like rice. So you can put some other amount of water. So plugged it in, then you see all the options. Select what you want to cook, like the rice. So with the menu you can choose, and with 5 seconds it will start cooking it. So it start cooking it. Now it's starting the process. So once it's cooked, you can see it says warm, and you can close it, and your rice are ready. You can see all the steam and stuff. So the rice are cooked. So it's pretty soft and it's all fine. You can see it here. So I say it's pretty easy to clean, use, and you can do all the different type of stuff with it.